Hi, this is Nancy, Family Tree Farm. This is our spring update 2020. Here's our new potato garden. We have two kinds of potatoes plus some tomatoes and beans. And this is Wind Tunnel Road. It's looking out to the farm right across the street from us. We use a lot of drip irrigation, and these are my baby cilantros growing up. And these are our baby figs that we propagated from the mother tree. These are Seminole Indian squash. I'll get like 30 squash from each one, long, beautiful vine. And these are blueberries in buckets. I got like 40 of those. Celery. We have an area where I just grow a lot of celery. And these are my chickens in the watering hole. We have about 20 free-ranging chickens. Here they're sunning, and they go all over between the trees and then back into the coop at night. I grow a lot of herbs. I have comfrey here, and I use an oil. I'm learning to use an oil distiller to get essential oils. Everglades tomatoes, garlic right here. I ordered these elephant garlic from Deep South Homestead. And this is my little greenhouse. My strawberry plants are in the gutters on the right. These are habanero peppers. I'll be selling those seeds when they get ripe again. And this is just some honeysuckle that was on a large fence I have, and it just smells so good. Lavender, which I'll be using in my oil distiller, and lemon balm as well. I make tinctures with that. Fights viruses. And this is lemon grass. I have lots of lemon grass. I do a lot with it. And this is lettuce that has grown up to seed. So I'm waiting for the seeds to come with that. This is my little loofah plant, and it will not be little in a little while. And our mulch house, we have some really good mulch that we buy and bring in. And this is our music cabin with our grill out front. See a bale of hay on the porch. My onions, I got the seeds from Patriot Supply, and they're doing great. And you see the little green orange in the center? We have 3 citrus trees. And here is some oregano. You can't really see it real well, but I'm going to be using that for tinctures as well. Pineapples across the outside of my greenhouse. And this is one of the pomegranates coming out. We have like 6 of them on the tree this year. And Bob has built a beautiful rooftop house on top of the container. Spent many weeks with that. Rosemary, I make tinctures with that, and love rosemary. And this is Security. Hello, guys. And this is thornless blackberries. I have a half dozen or so up a fence. And this is a Seminole Indian squash taken off on the ground. We have shiitake mushrooms. These are our logs. And these are our little babies. They're going to actually lamb and have babies in about 2 weeks, our sheep. And we have solar throughout the farm, and this is just a little cute place. This is spaghetti squash. We've got spaghetti squash up on a platform, which I love. Anyway, Etsy store is available for you to check out more of the seeds that we sell, including the spaghetti squash. So, and this is just one of my strawberries in the gutters in the greenhouse, and I decided to put hay underneath them to help. Thanks for watching, and visit us on the Etsy store and Family Tree Farm YouTube channel. God bless you.